Today's a little bit of an unboxing. I've ordered these gorgeous oracle cards from Etsy. An artist that I have followed for a little while, her name's Amanda Clark. It says here, artist and illustrator, and she does absolutely beautiful work, and I really love it. It's sort of folk arty. This is her sort of business card that she's included. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? I really love the vibe that she's got going on, so I thought you might like to see these as well. They're available on Etsy, and the reason I saw that she'd released these is because I follow her on Facebook as well. So I was really pleased to see that she'd released these little, they're called message cards. I thought they were actual oracle cards, but that's interesting. Not that I'm particularly using them for that purpose anyway, but really the reason I bought them is because, excuse the scrunching of the wrapping there, is because I just love her artwork, and it's a really nice affordable way of getting some of her artwork rather than actually having to buy the large pieces. I have bought greeting cards from her, and I have a few of those, but I thought, well, this is such a nice way of getting a few more pieces of her artwork, and there, I think, was it 70 affirmation cards, so you get quite a lot in the box, and they're all unique pieces of her artwork, so it's just such a lovely way of getting a little collection of hers. So I'm ever so pleased to have seen that she's done this. They were quite affordable, so I'll link to her Etsy shop and the item below, and then if you want to check her out, you can as well. So I thought I'd just show you very quickly. Hopefully that's focused well. So you're getting this lovely sturdy box, so I'll be able to keep them in there and keep them safe. And it gives you some instructions here on how to read the Earth Angels message cards, so I'll read that later. And it says about repeating an affirmation to yourself whenever you feel the need, and it will align you with positivity and direction. So that's actually even better than oracle cards, isn't it, really? So sort of a similar thing anyway. So here we go. So we've got a new day, and so each one has a little picture on the front. So some of her original artwork that's been made into like a little tiny print, a little card, and then it's got the wording on the front and just a little bit of information on the back, and also an affirmation as well. So there's some absolutely beautiful, I absolutely love this little magpie there. These are just super. So I'm just going to very quickly just pass through the card so that you can see. That's lovely, isn't it? It's so pretty. I would love to have a large painting of hers, but at the moment it's just not practical because I don't really have anywhere to display it. So this is just a really nice affordable way of having a few of her pieces of work, so that I've got some inspiration, and there's just such lovely sentiments, very positive sentiments behind each of these pictures, and it's just made all the more beautiful with the affirmations on there. So I'm not going to go through every one, but I thought it might be nice for you to see the beautiful pictures that are available. I'll just go a little bit closer so you can see. What I absolutely love is the way she sort of does the layered backgrounds and the trees. They're very distinctive. It's a very distinctive style. I absolutely love that. And she has a lot of sort of forest animals in her pictures, again, something that I really love. The little hares, very folk arty, and lots of birds and sort of swirls, which I personally like using in my own artwork as well. You may do too. It's just really fabulous. She's got a very distinctive style, which I really love. Anyway, so that's enough, I think, for you to see. You can see that there are absolutely loads of cards to choose from, and it's just an absolute feast for your eyes. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing these, and I will drop a link to her shop below, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. So take care, bye.